Alright guys, quick day today. Two losing days. Sucks, really sucks. This trade is still going, but by the way it's moving, bro, like I don't even want to be in this. The first trade, I can't say the first trade was bad because I mean it's the same setups that I take, but in a sense, not in a sense that because normally what I take is like 1 minute taps and then continuation, but this one is more higher time frame. Like, we got 15s here, we got a 1 hour. So we had that tap right there. Also, we SMT these highs up here, and we still are SMTing those highs. So we got that, and then we got an inversion right there. So yep, that was the trade right there. I can't say that's a bad trade because it's literally the same trades that I take. It's just it's a higher time frame tap, which honestly makes it a better trade. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's just price action, just not. It's not it, as you can see. This next trade, literally the same shit. Still had those SMTs intact, tagged into this 1 hour, and we got an inversion right here, and I got in around here somewhere. I wanted to wait for price to CISD this. I'm not just gonna get in the inversion, you know. Normally, I try not to get in inversions unless it's like a big inversion. You know what I'm saying? This is like not all that, and then we have this order block here. So yeah, that's why I waited for that. My original stop is up here, and then I moved it when price made this move here, moved it up here, which as you can see, they never tagged it. But like I said, man, I do not like the way price is moving. I still think we're gonna run these. You know what? We're gonna get in on this one here. I still think we're gonna run those lows. It's just that it's just not the best price action. That is, honestly, yeah. This is my overall TP here. But yeah, I mean, not too bad of a day. Let me switch my thing here. We're down 30.85 in the funded. It's always like this, bro. Whenever I hop on a funded, it's when I have a losing day. Just somehow always the same. Why is this shit? Okay. Why do I have two of these? Take that off. Second trade was, wait, no, this one down 416, but I never knew that alpha doesn't trail your shit. So I still have 2,000 left, so I'm cool with that. But yeah, that's about it for today. I mean, like, the trades, they still look good, bro. Like, there's still something here, but it's just the way it's moving, man. But I think I need to call it a day for real. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like some no cap and shit, right? I kind of anticipated this day to be shitty like this, because I noticed that we moved a lot, overnight, and then pre-market it was kind of, a little choppy. This isn't really choppy, but it's still somehow choppy. I told myself that this might be one of those days, and it turns out to be right, man. So you know what? Yeah. See, look at this. This is garbage. So yeah, for sure, next time. Yeah, next time I probably won't be trading whenever that's the case again, because this is like the third time in a row where I proved myself right that was the case. Because this looks horrible, man. I mean, like, the only reason why I traded them is because we had such clean sell side. We had clear, clean targets. It's just that the conditions were not there, bro. The conditions are so ass. Like, look at this shit. Yeah. I really should have just trusted my gut right there, not to trade, but it is what it is. I mean, pretty much down 400 for the day, which is, still aligns with my risk management. So yeah, I can't really be too mad about that. The trades weren't bad, man. Like, these trades weren't bad. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't crash out. You know what I'm saying? I followed all my rules. So yeah, yeah, I can't call this a bad day because I did everything I was supposed to do. Now maybe if I crashed out and shit, then yeah, but nah. See, this looks like another short right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Quick shorts to here, or even here. Fuck, bro, these look really fucking good, bro. Don't get me wrong, they look really good. It's just that as soon as I hop on this, I hop off, it's gonna start moving. 72, 72. Actually, no. Maybe if we SMT this out, yeah, this would be really, really good. But it's still good though. Let me take this off. Like, these sell side is so clear to me, man. Price is just pussyfooting though, man. 64 for almost, it's just short of 1 to 2. I'm very tempted on taking this. Well, it's already moving. Like, this looks really good. I can't even lie, this looks good, bro. But you know what? Nah, I need to refrain from trading. Cause that's what I said about the trades that I took. They look good, but price just ain't moving. Let's just watch this thing then. This paper trade. This entry is pretty much how I would want to enter right now in this current price action with this setup here. You see how it plays out. So yeah, honestly, this is my first real losing day. I had a losing day on, I think it was Thursday, but it was a really small loss, and yeah, it was like right. Is it this one? Yeah, it was this one here. I took a long around here. As you can see, it would have worked out, but obviously it didn't. His price was just exhausted at that point. I'm pretty sure it was around here. Yeah, when we had this move up here, that's where I got in here somewhere. Stops here. Target this high up here. I mean, eventually went up there, but yeah, it was just garbage. But yeah, that was my only loss for pretty much since fucking February. I don't know, because when I was doing this eval, am I in the right? I am not in the right fucking oh my god, bro. I was fucking forgetting. But yeah, this is how, like I said, this is where I would want to be in if I were to take this setup here. But yeah, the trade I lost is like here. Where is it at? Lost on Thursday. It's the 15th. Not right here. It was right here. I gotta go back to 1 minute. As you can see, this was the paper trade that I took that same day. And then waited a little bit, and then as soon as we got this here, we got an inversion right there. CISDs. I entered around here somewhere. Stops below here, and I was trying to target this high up here. But yeah, that was the only real losing day I had, which was like $100 loss, something like that. I think it's short of $200. But yeah, yeah, really, like that's the only real loss I had. Like ever since I traded that Lucid account from the eval stage. That eval took me about, I'd say 8 trading days. I think either 7 or 8. It's that. And considering I'm only risking $200 per trade, you know what I'm saying, that's actually really fucking good, man. this shit. Good thing I didn't take that trade. This just look bad, bro. Like all the setups look clean. Clean setups, clean targets, and it's just that the delivery is just not there. The movement is just not there, man. It's not clean. You know, you can have really good entries, really good setups and shit, but if price isn't moving right, if it's just doing this shit right here, it pretty much doesn't matter. Kind of makes it kind of makes or breaks the fucking trade, or just the day itself. Like typically, like, you know, trades are valid too, but a lot of the trades I take is like when they're, you know, like, how can I explain this? Because right now we're like in this range here, so we're inside the range. A lot of the times the trades I take are outside the range. Just like yesterday. Nothing yesterday. No, that wasn't the case. Well, actually, okay. No, because at this point we were in this range here. So yeah, we were inside the range. Yeah, inside the range, going up. This one here, right now. Yeah, we're inside the range, going up. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's pretty good. Like the outsider range trades are only really good when prices are very aggressive. Just like, I mean, I have a lot of examples of that. I'm pretty sure, no, I didn't trade Friday, just why I didn't upload anything, because look at this shit, man, this looks horrible. Hold on, now that I look at it, how was Friday price action here? See, Friday wasn't even, like, look, overnight didn't move that much, but we chopped around. Well, we didn't even chop around pre-market, so yeah, that in itself is just, you know, that was just a shitty day. Oh, this shit is moving now. Yeah, this looks bad, man. Yeah, I think that's it though. I'm about to upload this shit.